Yo, hello everyone! Are you looking to streamline your payroll process? In this video, I will show you how to get started using Intuit Payroll software in 2023. How to create an account and how to do all the detailed stuff that you might have in the software. I will show that to you in this video. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing that I will need you to do is go to the URL section on your browser and search for Intuit Payroll. From here, all you have to do is click on the first link, as you may see here. Sorry guys, okay, here we go. And now, all you have to do is go to this global site. So let's go to it. Or else you can even try the US site if you are from US. And simply now, all you can do is free 30-day trial to try it out. And from here, guys, you can try these plans, as you may see here, for free for the first 13 days. And after that, if you have chosen to go for the annual plan, you will get it for only $1 for the first 6 months. So instead, for example, of paying $35 per month, you will have to pay only $1 per month, which is pretty awesome, guys. Now, if you'd like to go through these features, you can read them. For example, for Simple Start, which is $17 per month and $16 per year, it's gonna be track income and expenses, send custom invoices and codes, connect your bank, track GST and VAT, insights and reports, capture and organize receipts, progress invoicing, and for one user plus your accountant. And for the other plan, which is the essentials, you will get it for 26 per month or 25 if you want for the annual plan. The extra stuff that you will have are manage bills and payments, track employee time, multi-currency, and for 3 users plus an accountant. And for the last one, which is the plus version, you will have all the features and recruited transactions and bills, track inventory, track project profitability, manage budgets, and for 5 users plus your accountant. And now, all you have to do is to get it. How? You just have to click on one of these free 30 days trial. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it. And then all I'm going to do is simply fill this with my informations. So here I'm going to put my email address, as you may see here. So here we go. The same thing here, fill this with your first name, last name, and the password. As you can see, I have already an account with them. So this user is already taken. So I will just log into my account and I will be right back to you guys. So back to you guys, I have finally connected to my account. As you can see, it is loading me to the dashboard. It can take a few time for you in the first time that you are opening your account. It can take about like 5 minutes maximum if you had a really terrible internet connection. Now, as you get started, tell them about your business. So everyone needs something a little bit different from QuickBooks or Intuit. So let's get to know each other so they can understand which features they shall give you to help you out in the beginning. So first of all, put here your legal business name. We can put here, for example, Lowly. Here choose a name. We'll go for construction. What type of business do you have? Private limited company. How long have you been in business? For 1 to 2 years. Click on next. Now, what's your role at your business? Owner, bookkeeper, accountant, employee, or it is something else. Let's choose that, and here you can do it all by yourself if you like, etc. So no, I do it all myself. Next. What would you like to do in QuickBooks? So what we are going to do is simply, for example, track bills, manage inventory, organize your expenses, and set and track invoices. So these are the most popular ones. So for us, we are going to use it as payroll. So we are going to pay our employees, send invoices, and track our bills, and track our retail sales. Click on done, and we are good to go. So this is the account, as you may see in front of you. Everything is set up and ready to go for. So now all you have to do is wait until it loads. And here it is. So, in case you'd like to actually go through this dashboard, I will show you everything now in detail. Here in the first page, you will have shortcuts. Here you will find some useful shortcuts as add customer, add estimate, add invoice, receive payment, add expense, and write a check. Here on the left, you'll find the menu. In this menu, you'll find business overview, bookkeeping, get paid and pay, customers and leads, payroll, taxes, and apps. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on the payroll. Click on it. And here, you will find all the employees that you have in your company. Click here to add a new employee, and then fill this form with his info. For example, here, I'm going to fill them with these random informations, and then I will click on Save. And as you can see, the employee has been added. And if I click on Edit, here as you may see, you'll find the employee ID, hire dates, and released if you'd like to add here. And just like that, you have added your first employee. So, in case you'd like to here to make it inactive, for example, he's not working, something like that, you can click here to make inactive, or you can click here to run reports. And you'll find the reports here, and you can customize it and do whatever you'd like with these reports. Now let's wait a little bit until they take us to the report page successfully. Now it is loading, as you may see, and here it is. Here guys, as you might notice, before we go through the reports, you'll find here, so payroll, you will find, if I clicked on time, if I clicked here, you will had to find something called cash or all-time payments. If you didn't find that, that means that you haven't connected your bank account yet. So you'll have to add your bank account in order to pay and do whatever you'd like. So for example, if you'd like to add your bank account, all you have to do is go to your settings and go to payment methods and add it through there. And as you go here, everything will be easy for you to use. So here in the settings, go to link in description, and from here you can simply add your payment method as you may see here. So business expenses, you can pay them through here, and purchase orders, you can do them through here. So you have to upgrade your plan in order to do these things. And that is like the main thing that you can do on Intuit. So yeah guys, that was completely it. If you'd like to actually add your bank account through another way, you can just add it through the main menu here, connect your account. So you can choose from here your bank account, and it's gonna be much easier for you if you didn't find it on the actual settings section. But yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you'd like it, please make a like, and see you guys.